Many modern toilets, especially those designed with water efficiency in mind, have dual flush systems. Here's an overview of how these systems work and their benefits. Dual flush toilets. 1. 2 buttons or levers. Small flush button or lever, designed for liquid waste like urine. This button typically uses less water, usually around 3 liters, which is about 0.8 gallons. Large flush button or lever, designed for solid waste like feces. This button uses more water, typically around 6 liters, which is about 1.6 gallons. Water conservation. Dual flush systems allow users to select the appropriate amount of water needed for flushing, conserving water by reducing the amount used for liquid waste. By using less water for flushing urine, these toilets help reduce overall water consumption, which is beneficial for the environment and reduces water bills. Design and operation. Dual flush toilets are equipped with a more complex flushing mechanism compared to single flush toilets. They often have a more efficient trapway design, reducing the likelihood of clogs. The 2 buttons or levers are typically clearly marked or differentiated by size, making it easy for users to choose the correct flush. Benefits. Over time, the reduction in water usage can lead to significant cost savings on water bills. Using less water helps conserve this vital resource, supporting sustainability efforts and reducing the strain on water treatment facilities. Conclusion. Dual flush toilets are a smart, environmentally friendly choice for modern bathrooms. By offering 2 flushing options, they provide an effective way to conserve water and reduce household utility costs. These systems are an excellent example of how simple innovations can have a significant positive impact on both personal finances and environmental sustainability.